The Archon of Gaslighting. Barina.
That's what good about it, girl. I literally never existed. You're crazy. Wow, Irminsul. Did someone teach you that? That's a big word.
Did your friends tell you? Oh my god, you like the run. No one else is gonna play away.
I'll play him, but like I'm never gonna get the chance to.
Oh, why?
Look at the server. Tell me how many faggots there are.
Fungus.
Fungus.
Oh,
No. Please.
Please,
Let me
just.
be happy. I'm almost there. Fuck you.
Oh my god, Bunkus.
Fungus.
Oh,
No. Are you fucking kidding me?
Do you like my archer bugs, by the way?
Oh no, yeah, no, it's tight. Like, no, that's fine. No, that's so good. Tell me when. Oh shit. I was like, tell me when, and then I immediately pressed. Wow, but you like that
Yeah.
alternate?
Yeah.
Let's see.
That sound condescending.
This will help us defeat Providence.
That one too.
Ah. Oh, the orange stuff is glue. I thought the bomb was just orange. That's cute.
Another voltaic myth for you, baby girl. You know, I gotta treat you right.
Thanks.
No! The archer bugs are back.
Bro, you play Valorant or something? Now the archer bugs. I hate this game. Kill this. I hate overloading RG.
So, I honestly think we're reading too much into it.
Bro.
Alright. Oh.
Were you killing stuff?
No. Speed though.
Gotta fucking take it.
No, take the mocha. Well, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. Take the fucking mocha. I'm not gonna take it. That's gonna be a waste.
I'm gonna throw a tantrum. That's fucking right. What?
I got disconnected.
Oh shit.
I think Barbados. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. That's me.
I'd rather have a cremator up my ass.
I don't think there's any lava for cremator. Hit a board.
Oh my god! Oh, Faker! Oh!
Don't you ever sound like that when I... Sorry.
What? What was that? Oh, it was the laser glaive.
Yeah. It's like, oh my god, baby girl, you get reception all the way out here?
Why would you say that?
This is so OP.
Okay.
Little baby! Try the dash. Try the dash.
No.
Oh wait, it shoots where you're moving.
What the
Like Mega
fuck?
Man.
That's so.
Oh, I should have given this to you.
Can you deflect Providence stuff too?
I think so.
You can deflect a lot. I don't think you can deflect fall damage though.
Well, yeah.
The
I
floor,
simply
bro.
parry the ground.
I fucking love using the rainbow rod in Terraria.
What did you say?
Rainbow rod.
Ah,
That's what I call my penis. You like that? Like when I joke about penis and cock? At the height of comedy for you? Because it is for me. That shit's so funny.